Everyone is talking about Google's new anti-gravity IDE. And the hype is so loud that people are already calling it the end of traditional coding. But before you believe the ads showing Gemini 3 Pro building entire applications on its own, fixing bugs instantly, and shipping production-ready software without a single human click, let's slow down and look at what actually happens when real users put it to the test. Google presents Antigravity as a fully autonomous development environment where agents can handle unlimited tasks. But the reality feels very different once you start building something bigger than a demo. Many testers quickly discovered that the so-called unlimited agent usage comes with invisible walls, hitting rate limits in the middle of projects without a warning, leaving half-written code or incomplete testing flows. Some people couldn't even finish a small project before the system paused itself, and others ran into looping agents that kept repeating the same step or stalling during build stages. Antigravity's early documentation even mentioned security concerns Google doesn't advertise, including restrictions on sensitive operations and warnings about agent-level permissions that can break workflows. And while the ads highlight seamless Chrome testing, users reported login failures, broken authentication attempts, and sudden environment resets that cost them progress. The bigger issue isn't that antigravity is bad, it's that it's unpredictable. Some early adopters say it feels like a glimpse into the future of AI-first software development, while others say they hit the quota cap in under 20 minutes and couldn't complete a single meaningful project. So the real question isn't whether antigravity replaces developers, whether it's stable enough in 2025 for anyone to trust it with real work. And based on everything we found, the answer isn't as straightforward as Google wants you to think.